Sherni movie review. Vidya Balan roars in this man-animal jungle on Amazon Prime. Directed by Amit Masurkar, Vidya Balan plays a forest officer trying to resolve man-animal conflicts in Sherni. The film started streaming on Amazon Prime on Friday, that is from today, June 18th. Sherni opens to a panoramic view of the forest. You know you have landed in the middle of a dense road danger, so does Vidya Balan, who plays Divisional Forest Officer Vidya Vincent in the film. Vidya is here to resolve human-animal conflict stuffs we read about in the newspapers every day. But her battles go beyond just that. She has to find her own footing as a woman in a man's world. Just like the central force of the film, Tigers, Vidya also lies low, not from fear but for aim. She subtly finds her way through the jungle, just as Sherni attempts to journey Hindi cinema to a terrain that has been probed but not explored. In Amit Masurkar's Sherni, we are introduced to India's wild spaces, which face seemingly unstoppable threats from poaching, deforestation, and overgrazing. That's one side of the story. On the other, there are communities that rely on forest returns for their livelihoods. Meanwhile, cattle and men venturing into the jungle are turning up dead. Yes, a wild cat is on the loose. Caught in the middle of this are forestry officials and our protagonist, Vidya Vincent. Sherni is reminiscent of Avni or T1's case. The tigress was accused of killing 13 people. After months-long hunt, she was shot dead in 2018 in Yavatmal, Maharashtra by a civilian hunter-led search accompanied by some forest department officials. Many activists described it as a cold-blooded murder, and the case even reached the Supreme Court of India. The case is still going on, with officials trying to find whether Avni was a man-eater or not. Coming back to Sherni, Vidya soon realizes that humans and tigers are both endangered. This fact hits her when lives are lost in the jungle and a politician grabs the opportunity to make big promises about showing the tiger its rightful place, sending it to a zoo or a circus, that is. Even the forest department remains complacent and corrupt. Things are not different in real lives. Sherni has been shot gloriously across the jungles of Madhya Pradesh. However, as the jeeps speed along the jungle track, we aren't quite jolted out of our seats. The thrill of the mysterious forest isn't quite felt, even when you are reminded of John Valent's saying, "The tiger will see you 100 times before you see him once." We feel a bit more camera work in the jungle could have worked to create the much needed thrill. Back in Civilization, there are characters and sequences that seem stretched. We understand people in power have a laid-back attitude and a little sense of responsibility towards forest folks and their woes, let alone the big cats. We also get how everyone from politicians to hunter just wants to forward their own agenda, but we did not need to see much of it. In the film, Mukul Chadda plays Vidya's husband, while Ila Arun plays her mother-in-law. Bijendra Kala and Neeraj Kavi play her seniors who couldn't be less interested in her mission or the actual goals of the forest department. Vidya finds support from Vijay Raj, a professor who has much knowledge of tigers and their movements. Sharat Saxena is the big bad hunter who is hell-bent on getting to the tigress on the prowl before others. These actors play their characters well. After all, this is a band of skilled actors, just like Amit Masurkar's simply yet hard-hitting 2017 film Newton, starring Rajkumar Rao. Sherni too doesn't make big statements. It doesn't take sides, yet the prevalent issues are communicated. The socially relevant message comes through. The driving force of the entire film, quite rightly, is Vidya Balan. She doesn't make bold statements as she challenges patriarchal mindset to work and at home. She is restrained but determined, a rare idealist in a flawed system. Her gender often comes up in conversations with the locals. They are not outright condescending but point out how a lady officer has been sent to handle ugly situations in that location. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing far from reality. She still tackles all the prickly issues in an impressive manner. As an actor, Vidya is well suited for a part. She knows how to let her expression convey her emotions where words would only add to the chaos. In Sherni, on her mission to capture the tigress who has been declared a man-eater, Vidya encounters many obstacles. Everyone seems to have a piece of advice for her. No one seems to have faith in her actions. Yet, with the help of a small team and locals, she does her job. She doesn't sit behind a desk. She is the woman on the ground. When she comes home, she tries to maintain peace there too. Vidya calmly expresses her life's choices rather than making big speeches. In the end, you realize there are certain rules of the jungle for everyone, be the inhabitants, animals, or mankind. Holding your ground against the powers that be takes courage. Venturing out of your territory can be dangerous. Yet, you do what it takes to survive. No one is always the predator or the prey. Just like when confronted with humans, animals at times attack and other times silently disappear into the darkness, all for self-preservation. So, watch Vidya Balan's roaring performance in Sherni on Amazon Prime Video and subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any queries regarding the review. Thank you.